While all organizations that operate within the medical device industry have an ISO certified quality management system, what makes ProMed unique is that we have an ever-evolving and highly flexible quality management system. On a weekly basis, we review events, corrective actions, and other opportunities for improvement. We don't let our system stay in status quo. On a regular basis, look at the different systems we have in place and try to identify a way that we can make them faster, more effective, and yielding more usable results. For example, our supplier management system, one of the tasks used to take us 8 hours and the output was not very useful. So we took a look at that system and we revamped it, and now we can get our results in less than 5 minutes, and it produces numbers that actually can help us monitor our suppliers and help make our suppliers better, which in the end makes on-time delivery more achievable and also improves the quality of our final product output.
A lot of people do silicone molding. What we do is silicone molding at a very high level of quality, and we can prove it with our data.